What do we all want? Let's admit it, we all wish to make lots of money. But the big question is, how can we make lots of money, without breaking a bank, or somebody's money vault? The short answer is, you get to know the art of making money, and more money, to ultimately becoming a millionaire. You must awaken the millionaire in you. However, not many of us have the skills and courage to achieve this objective in our lives. That is where the Awakened Millionaire Academy comes into play. It can convert your dreams into reality through its effective training programs. What is the Awakened Millionaire Academy? The Awakened Millionaire Academy is an out-and-out digital program that offers revolutionary consultations and supervision. They have compiled a complete package along with one of its unique features, spirituality. Joe Vitale, the founder of Awakened Millionaire Academy, knows very well how to transform your spiritual strengths into financial gains. As human beings, we all have countless desires, aims, and objectives in our lives. Every day, we wake up and work hard to accomplish our long-standing goals and objectives. All of us want luxurious lifestyles where we can find everything we can think of. These material gains also bring a sense of fulfillment into our lives. But why the Awakened Millionaire Academy? Several things make this training distinct. It gives you the skills, ideas, and guidance to be a more practical man to make more money, think differently, and achieve a high level of spirituality. With the passage of time, you will feel a change in yourself, and once you become capable of supporting yourself financially and spiritually, it will urge the desire of supporting others in you. Thus, you will achieve both worldly and unworldly goals. What will you get from the Awakened Millionaire Academy? In reality, the Awakened Millionaire Academy is a platform that combines financial and moral resources. The key purpose is to make you understand your spiritual power, and how you are going to use it to develop professionally into a wealthy individual. In this program, you will get video lessons, audio lessons, and ebook lessons. All these essential components make it a complete package for people of all ages.
Go Vitale, but it doesn't work for me. Works for the people in the secret, but it doesn't work for me. They want to do things, but they think the economy's wrong, the president's wrong, the timing is wrong, I don't have enough education, I don't have enough experience.
Eventually, you are going to grow a new belief that you will and expect to be rich. Often, you will get the inspiration to enable you to get involved in accomplishing your objectives. Most significantly, you are going to learn how to recognize the elements you value about your life. With that as well, you are going to discover your love and earn profits. How is the Awakened Millionaire Academy transform your personality? The Awakened Millionaire Academy awaken your spiritual soul, and the central point is that spirituality plays a cognitive role in growing your money. The Awakened Millionaire Training Program was built with one aim: to push you to be productive, efficient, and successful by awakening your strengths and spiritual powers.
The things they're afraid of, the things that they're worried about. I tell people, why don't you start thinking about the things you love, the things you're passionate about.
Besides, this innovative training approach can also motivate you and propel you through the curriculum by offering you the inspiration you want. The mix of innovative profit-making and spiritual link, as well as moving you through the course, is a magic recipe to help you achieve your ambitions. What are the basic components of this training program? Once enrolled in this program, you will get several benefits, including the life lessons of the founder of the Awakened Millionaire Academy, Dr. Joe Vitale. The Awakened Millionaire Academy is a unique program for many reasons. It integrates spiritual values with material development. Along with spiritual guidance, you get to know the art of making more money and ultimately becoming a millionaire. The combination of spiritual and worldly success makes this program more distinct because not many programs around the world will offer the same guidance under one umbrella. This program is an all-in-one package where you get everything you want. One of the other key things to love the Awakened Millionaire Academy is that it is quite affordable, and without spending a huge chunk of your budget, you can still manage to enroll in this program. Click the link on the description to find out more about the Awakened Millionaire Academy.